Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, a trader, and perhaps a future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar room on WLT. Now, this one was called out by one of our members in the room way back up here, but we were busy trading some other ones, not very successfully as a matter of fact. And then he got in right about here around 1085 at this low base breakdown, and he kept screaming, hey, it's going down, it's going down. Well, we finally woke up after he made over 4% on it, and it was doing this potentially bull pullback here. So we were watching that, and let's see what happened next. Well, then that bull pullback started to fail. It started to kick up here to the 20 moving average. And then it started to pull back. So I said, okay, now we're doing a bear pullback. If it breaks 1045, let's get short. Bam, there we go. And I got in at 1044. I'm now short WLT. Alrighty. And this is what was interesting was, even though the market was just going sideways, well, so was this one for the longest time. So what I do, I just set a stop up here, and it's just running along those two lines, both the 20 and the 8, and I'm not losing much money, so I have a stop set at about 0.5%, and let's see if we can make any money on this. And bam, hey, let's pull this up. There she goes. Finally, she breaks and starts to fall. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, look at that. Look down here. Look at the volume on the downstroke here. That's good news when you're short. And it comes down here. This $10 line is likely to be support. That even dollar amount can really be a killer. And sure enough, it comes down here, almost tags it, and then pulls right back up to where? The 8 EMA. And then it falls back down again to that $10 level. And then it starts to come back up again. So I took out half here at $10.10 for 3.2% on the first half. Let's stretch this out and see how she plays out from here. And again, managing our stops. I'm pulling my stop down here. It was down around the 1025 area, just about where that 20 moving average is. And it did. It came up here, tagged the 20, and then fell all the way back down to $10 again. Starts to bounce back up again. It hits its head on the 8 EMA, and then it's pulling back. And then it fell down, but because it closed above the 8 EMA, I ended up getting out at $10.10. I had moved my stop to the 8 EMA instead of the 20, and 2 was for 3.2%. So the total trade being short right here, and then getting out half here, and the other half right at the same level, was for 3.2% in 37 minutes. And then, of course, this $10 line, and also there was a S1 line right down here, actually an S2 line at 998. It was causing support as well. Well, these are the kind of trades we're doing in the GrokStar room. You're welcome to join us. 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page, and down below on the chat room page is a place where you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. The key personality traits that you should be looking for in a successful trader is patience, perseverance, determination, discipline, and rational action. Trade well.